To join your class in Zoom, first, you need to go to SCOTS website, www.scotsenglish.edu.au. Log into Moodle. If you forget your password, you can reset your password by clicking on this link. You will then receive an email with instructions to help you log in. When you log in, you should see your course. Click on your course. Click Join Class. Now, at the right-hand side of the Zoom screen, click on Join. If this is the first time using Zoom, please click on Download and run Zoom. Before you start class, it would be better to check your audio settings and video settings. Make sure you choose the right microphone and right camera. When you first join the Zoom class, your microphone will be on mute. Mute means silent. If you want to say something, unmute yourself and speak. Unmute means you can speak, and everyone can hear you. Otherwise, wait for your teacher to unmute you. During the lesson, if you wish to speak, raise your hand, and wait for your teacher to mute you. If you wish to change the view on your screen, click on the view icon at the right-hand side of your Zoom screen. One of the greatest features of Zoom is screen sharing. Your teacher can share with you many types of documents, such as slides, worksheets, handouts, photos, and much more. But that's not all. Your teacher can share with you a whiteboard. You and your teacher can write, draw, highlight, and use many other features to make the lesson as fun and exciting as possible. You can also use the chat box feature. You may send a message to all your classmates. Or a private message to your teacher or a classmate. A private message means only your teacher or classmate can see it. At the end of the class, click Leave Meeting at the right-hand side of your Zoom screen. If you are having technical problems joining your Zoom class, email Moodle at scotsenglish.edu.au. Thank you for watching.